Hi, welcome to another episode of Scaling Vision podcast. Some teachers don't teach, they leave an imprint for the rest of your life. And today I've got such a guest with me. She has been an educator, a mentor, a guide to so many students over her lifespan, and she's still doing so. Mrs. Piali Kanawar, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Uh, Quickly, how many years did you teach people, students like us?
If you talk about teaching, I have been into teaching for 22 years in Bhavans, but in the education line, this is my 37th year.
My goodness. You've seen a great journey of students over the years, right?
Absolutely.
So then you've also transitioned, ma'am, nowadays to entrepreneurship side. You started an academy called as So What Center for Excellence. Tell us about that story, ma'am.
Yes. So, as I got over everything up my sleeves to do with some innovation in teaching, I wanted to explore something into training and much into education because education is not only teaching, right? So, I did everything as a teacher. Then I thought that English was something which was very, very important as a language of communication as the world was becoming a global village. Right. So that is why I thought no, people should know English and especially those who really require, not for flaunting, of course. Okay. Because this is not a language for flaunting in any case, it is a language of work. Right. So that is why I started with So What. And I had nothing else to do at that point in time because I was not well, too. The reason why I left Bhavans. Right. And then I started with this, and very soon I got into training in corporates, like Zim Laboratories and some other places. Then I was called for various. That is how it all started. And I kept getting lots and lots of people. I did not have, again, any idea about how to begin with the setup, right? So I actually gave some ads in the mini ads because I could spend only a little amount of money because I was a teacher. Where do I bring the money from for larger hoardings and all? So that was the thing. UCN, yes, of course, yeah. And people had been very nice. AIR interviewed me. UCN interviewed me, and all these things gradually. Then word of mouth. By that it spread around, and of course my skill in the social media which
See,
helped me.
I think you were one of those teachers whom every student will remember throughout your life. I mean, there are
Thank you if
I
you
mean,
say so.
obviously, I mean, you ask any person who's gone through Bhavans for so many years, right from your last pupil before you left the school, I think, to the first pupil you've taught ever since you joined it, every student must still remember you. You leave an imprint like that, everybody loves you. And in those days, I mean, I'll just tell you this short of a secret, we always looked up to you as the cool teacher.
Oh,
I
so
mean,
nice.
you were very um, sorted, is what we say कि पढ़ाई के time पे you will obviously do पढ़ाई, but then you used to come out to us. You had that ability to come at our level and make conversations which most of the teachers did not. That was a very, most teachers were doing a very traditional way of teaching, and the boundaries were set.
Everybody has their own
Yeah,
ways,
sure,
you
but
see.
I'm not saying that is wrong
Yeah,
and you're right,
of
but
course.
the way you did that will always make you be
Thank you so
memorable
much,
for a lot of
Samesh.
students.
Trust me.
So, what were some difficulties other than that financial aid you said when starting out independently, ma'am?
Yeah. So, first and foremost, it was my health. All of a sudden, as it is, I had not a very majestic health. I was not born with that sort of a health. Especially after 10th, things were not very good. But then somehow I'm basically a fighter, and I care a little about the other things. I am very focused and sorted, yes. What I want to do, I'll do. और थोड़ी जिद्दी तो नहीं थी, but then yes, I always wanted to make up to my dream, right? So challenges Actually, I don't feel anything as a challenge, frankly speaking, because these are the things, these are the, little stumble blocks which you have to overcome.
Exactly.
So I really don't count on them or remember them very vividly. Uh, my entering the school was, now I
Ah,
remember,
tell
yeah,
me
of
more.
course. I'll tell you, I was 22 at that time. And I wanted to do some work because my mother was a government officer, right? So it just always occurred to me, oh my God, I must do some work because I'm just sitting at home and I'm doing my graduation. At the time I was only 22, yeah, 21, 22. Just got married and had a child too.
Vineet.
Yeah, Vineet, yeah. So I wanted to become something, and I did not know what I can do because I always thought that I was bad in studies because I never scored very well, right? Oh yeah, of course. After 12th, yes, I got merit, and all those things happened after that because maths was off. Okay, so what happened that one of my friend, so I call her Rani Bhabhi, she had just called me up ki Piali, aise Bhavans mein, there's a place, why don't you go? So I said, fine, I'll go. I went there. I had a lovely chat with Mr. Iyer. At the time, he was the director of the school. And I thought, oh, I don't fail anywhere, right? So they will take me. But by the evening, I came to know that I was rejected.
Oh,
Trust me, I was. And then my mentor, uh, whom I revere till now, Mrs. Shastri, she called me after 15 days. So my joining date is 15 days later to the whole lot. So she called me and she said, well, we can pay you this much only, and we can if not anything, you at least look after the English. I said, okay, my English is so good. Fine, thank you. So I joined. I went back home. My mother was actually getting a pension, which was, I was getting about 400. And my mother was earning, and she said, you are paying your helpers more than this, and why are you going to join this? So this was a barrier from my side. एक कि मैंने खुद को नहीं समझा था कि मैं कोई स्कूल में जा सकती हूँ. सेकेंडली माई मदर वॉज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि मेरी बेटी क्या करने वाली, वाई इज शी गोइंग फॉर दिस जॉब. बट येस, all time support, that is my husband. He said that let her go out, don't constrain her, she is a free person, let her do it. And that is how I came into school. That was one thing where I faced a little from my mother a little, and from Mr. T.J. Layer a little. But yes,
Rest
Mrs.
is
Shastri,
history.
rest is history.
And from your perspective, how has the city of Nagpur evolved in terms of education in the past so many years that you have seen?
Sameer, I really don't see darkness anywhere. Okay, that's the main problem with me. I will not say problem again because
You'll see
there is no
roadblocks.
problem actually.
Yeah.
There's only solutions.
Yeah.
So you see, Nagpur has evolved just as any other city has evolved.
Right.
There's nothing specially that what has happened to Nagpur. And Nagpur has, yes, it has come up very well. But I find people a little laid back, where they don't like to explore more and more things in the city. So all of the people who want to explore, they would like to go out of Nagpur
explore,
and do, yeah.
Absolutely.
But I'm very happy coming to your place and seeing you doing this. I don't think anybody much would do anything like this. Okay, they will not dare to. So, yes, it has evolved, but evolution has to happen. That's why Nagpur is living, not existing.
Right. I mean, that's how the rule is. If you don't evolve, you get left out of the race.
Yes.
You've also, over the years, ma'am, played a big role in trying to teach English to a lot of people and trying. There's a lot of question. Is there still taboo around the language English that exists nowadays?
Taboo, I will not say. But yes, see,
Hesitance, that's the wrong word actually. Hesitance.
Hesitance is there, again, as I tell you. ये ना मेरा इनेट है समीर, प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड, क्योंकि मुझे ना ये जो थोड़ी सी नेगेटिव टच वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, वो जल्दी से आता नहीं है.
हाँ हाँ, श्योर
राइट,
श्योर.
हेजिटेंस मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, बट देर इज़ कांस्टेंट कंपैरिजन जो बच्चे करते रहते हैं या इंसान करते रहते हैं कि भाई मेरे से अच्छा वो बोल रहे हैं, शी इज़ स्पीकिंग बेटर देन मी, और हाउ कैन आई स्पीक इन दिस क्राउड, दिस इज़ अ मच, व्हाई डू वी नॉट वैल्यू आवरसेल्व्स, डोंट वी हैव समथिंग ग्रेट इन अस,
We do, definitely.
है ना? So that is what is not making them speak, because they don't practice, they don't speak English. Okay, and yes, there is a small town syndrome जो पहले से था, जो अभी शायद with coming
It's
up of
going
so
away
many
थोड़ा थोड़ा,
schools,
yeah.
yeah. So अभी colleges and schools इतने आगे हैं, so now this thing has gone back. Then I feel that there is a constant understanding कि भाई English बोलना यानी style है, ये नहीं है.
Is it still, this perception still exists today? Okay.
You will see that ऑटो वाले को लोग बोलते हैं how much.
But that's wrong.
So the moment you step on the mall, I've seen. Best part is कोई डॉग से बात करो, अभी तुम्हारे डेक्स्टर से मैं बात कर रही थी, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रही थी, राइट? पर डॉग से बात करना सबसे पहले इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं यहाँ. कम 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 भाई, डॉग नोज हिंदी. मेरे डॉग को तो गुजराती बंगाली सब पता था.
But then why is it that a lot of Indians are very fluent in reading English, but spoken English में बहुत मार खाते हैं?
The vice versa is also correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So what happens, if you are a voracious reader, you understand it well. तो जब understand आप करते हो ना, तो आप हिंदी में understand करते हो, है ना? You get the feel of the read, whatever you're reading, in Hindi or in your vernacular. So that is why they don't get to speak the language. And they have very good vocabulary, trust me. ऐसे मैं बहुत लोगों को पढ़ाई हूँ जिन लोग बहुत फास्ट इंग्लिश पिक किए हैं विद गुड वोकेबलरी. एंड देयर इज़ अनदर सेट ऑफ पीपल जो बोलते तो बहुत हैं, उनके वोकेबलरी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं भी हों, एंड दैट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ऑल्सो. ओके, बट लिखने दे जाने बोलो, उन लोग लिखेंगे नहीं. यही दरमियान में एक बात बोलना तुमको चाहूँगी. आई गेट स्टूडेंट्स हु कम एंड टेल मी, मैम हम हिंदी में नहीं लिख सकते, मैम हमको हिंदी नहीं आता. तुमको हिंदी नहीं आता, तुमको इंग्लिश नहीं आता, आता क्या? फिर बोलते क्या हो? फिर दैट इज़ इन कॉन्फिडेंस, यू नो. दिस इज़ वन सिंपल थिंग. द टोटल गेम इज़ अबाउट इन कॉन्फिडेंस एंड एक्सपोजर, दैट्स ऑल.
I remember this thing my mom used to tell me बहुत पहले कि she's like, हम लोग we were brought up in a Marathi medium school, and our basic how it, when we learned English in medical colleges and all, and then later on started talking, and now it's all different now, but she's like, initially we read something in English, we convert it into Marathi, and then we speak it out in English, like doing the translation in my head. It's like, for all of you guys, you have learned English since childhood, the grammar, a little bit of accent, everything, pronunciation of words, everything. It comes a little difficult for people who have not been trained in English since the childhood. This is the problem. Does this still exist?
See, what happens when we are into English right from the beginning of our educational, journey. So we don't even know in which language we are translating and in which language we are converting whatever we are reading.
Obviously.
हमको तुम सोच के देखो तुम क्या?
No, it mostly comes at the spinal level. हाँ.
It will not occur, right?
Yeah.
So what happens? It is adaptation. Right? So ये जो साइंस है ना, ये जो अगर तुम पूरे लॉजिक या साइंस या कुछ भी बोलो, इसमें कोई तुक नहीं है. बात पर सही है कि जिन लोग वर्नाक्युलर में ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिए हैं, उन लोगों का ये है कि उन लोग पहले थोड़ा सा तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, है ना. तो इसीलिए उन लोगों के में भी ग्रामर में थोड़ा, बिकॉज ग्रामर से किसी ने इंग्लिश नहीं सीखना है.
नहीं,
तो सब ने इंग्लिश सीख गए रहते. स्कूल में तो हमारे टाइम से रेन मार्टिन चल रहा है, and even now you all have studied, I think, what
Renan Martin.
yeah, no one no I'm saying simple things will not. The main things what are important in English: the tense, subject verb agreement, or maybe prepositions. These are the main things. ये एक बार if you have gotten used to, then आपके English is absolutely all right. So ये नहीं आता है क्योंकि हिंदी के इंग्लिश जैसा नहीं होता है, बंगाली के हिंदी, एवरी लैंग्वेज हैज इट्स ओन साइंस. तो वो है कोई प्रॉब्लम, बट थोड़ा बहुत ग्रामेटिकल एरर हो गया तो कौन सी बड़ी बात है. nobody cares
nowadays as long as the message is sent
स्पेलिंग
across.
भी तो कितने गलत होने के बाद हम एग्जाम में कहाँ स्पेलिंग का.
I was going to ask you that question, but since you brought it up, nowadays so much of mobiles and everybody's typing and there's auto correction and everything. Is written English gone for a toss? Spellings वगैरह is I even see a lot. Can students still spell अच्छे से now?
They do. See, I cannot speak about lakhs and lakhs of school and crores
Obviously,
of school, but the schools in the
whatever you've
climate
seen,
in which
yeah.
I am, I can always tell you that yes, they can spell. Because another funny thing I'd like to tell you is we have started, talking big things about phonetics. But phonetics is IPA. इसके जो alphabets होते हैं ना, वो तो हम सीखते ही नहीं हैं. Like that curve you have, 2 lines you have, O के लिए, फिर A के लिए, हाँ, वो नहीं होता है. And you see, actual phonetics में IPA में जो होता है ना, international जो phonetics alphabets होता है, those तो we are not teaching. तो sound के जो सिम्बल्स है वही हम टीच नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ साउंड ऑफ द लेटर दे रहे हैं.
So when you get to see that, you'll never be able to identify.
Yeah, that is your common sense.
Right.
Your common sense has to be very sharp. So that's the thing. And ये जो अब ये बच्चे तो सोचते ही रह जाएंगे न कहाँ गया. तो मैं तो in my school I tell them no, it has to be na. It's okay, doesn't matter. No, nip. No problem.
Nice. But why phonetics? I mean, we were never taught phonetics.
Even I was not.
What is the advantage of phonetics?
I'll tell you. People, I think today, have made a world of fantasy. Where they feel their children are going to school to not to learn or not to acquire or information and knowledge, but more of extracurricular activities. उस स्कूल में क्या देना, वहाँ तो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ ही नहीं है. बस एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में डालना तो स्कूल क्यों चूज़ कर रहे हो. स्कूल में पहले पढ़ाई होगी, उसके साथ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ एक्स्ट्रा. सो लेट दैट बी एनीथिंग. सो इट शुड बी द चॉइस ऑफ द चाइल्ड. We are actually, do you know, we are actually pressurizing the child, sending them to various classes, introducing various things in the school. उनको नहीं करना स्केटिंग, तो क्यों करवा रही हूँ मैं स्केटिंग. नहीं, हमारे पेरेंट्स को चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे ऐसे स्कूल में जा रहे हैं कि स्केटिंग ये दिखावे की दुनिया बहुत हो गया है. तो हम अगर थोड़ा सा दिखावा कम करें और थोड़ा सा जो सच्चाई है, हकीकत से मुलाकात करें, तो आई फील थिंग्स विल बी मच बेटर.
I see this thing. मैंने phonetics का क्यों पूछा मैम? Because this bugs me on a daily basis. मेरे पास छोटे बच्चे आते हैं in my OPD and वो ऑफ्थेल्म OPD में you have to read those alphabets, चार्ट पढ़ना पड़ता है. They will never A को A बोलेंगे ही नहीं वो बच्चे. A, B and it always baffles me. इतनी simple चीज़ है. This has probably worked for hundreds of years. जब से English language formal education में आया होगा, जब से whatever number of years से. And you've had multiple scholars, engineers, doctors. I mean, एक full proof method है. If it works, why do you want to get another system जिसमें I mean, पता नहीं.
Maybe मैं बहुत सोच के तो देखी नहीं हूँ इसके ऊपर, पर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि कोई भी चीज़ को you have to make it, you have to simplify. Even if phonetics is good, no problem. Because we have also been taught as HAT hat, BAT bat, CAT cat, PAT pat. So repetition is good, no problem.
Yeah.
उसमें भी सीख जाते हैं बच्चे. आप लोग तो सीखे ही हो, नहीं सीखे हो? मैंने भी वैसे ही सीखा है. पर ये जो फोनेटिक्स वाला नया फंडा आया है, मैं वही बोली ना, दिखावे की दुनिया हो गया है. हम क्या है, हकीकत से बहुत दूर जाते जा रहे हैं. आ जाएंगे वापस, फिक्र मत करो,
Even I
थोड़े
believe
दिन के
so.
लिए
Even I believe so.
आएंगे। और अभी भी जिन लोगों को साउंडनेस है लाइफ में, जिन लोग एक्चुअली लिव कर रहे हैं लाइफ, एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिन लोग सिर्फ फन के लिए नहीं ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं, कुछ करने के लिए भी जी रहे हैं, तो उन लोग तो अभी भी समझ रहे हैं कि ये सब चीज़ों का कोई मुद्दे की बात क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्टिव, बिकॉज एवरी वर्क हैज़ एन ऑब्जेक्टिव. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ पर्पसलेस जॉब, देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट इन इट. डू यू एग्री?
Very true. Very true.
सो उसमें आपको जो भी तरीका अपनाना है वो अपनाओ और वैसे करो.
Tell me about some student transformation stories that you have done on confidence building, on English, and all those things.
So many memories.
Just a few.
You know. Yeah. So I'll start with my early days of being a teacher, a primary teacher at the time. So I had a child. I'll not name any.
Obviously.
Okay. Yeah. So I had a child in my class. So I used to, my class used to have rows, and then they used to my best friend desks. So on my either side there would be 4 and 4, 8 best friend desks. Those were my best friend desks. So I used to combine the gifted ones and the ones who were gifted, of course. All are gifted. Their pace was a little slow. So I would bring them together. So that would make what? एक तो that would give them exposure to the child who is doing a little better than the others, तो वो immediately cope करने में easy होता था, and there was no discrimination. एक जो class वो होता ना, वो नहीं होता था. So they would become friends. So ऐसे ही एक बच्चा मेरे best friend desk में बैठते थे, तो एक दिन वो ना बड़ा बोल रहा था, उल्लू का पट्ठा, उल्लू का पट्ठा, उल्लू का पट्ठा. तो मैं that was I was doing something, that was free period, I was probably doing some substitution sort of thing, right? तो मैंने बोला बेटा इधर आओ, तुम किसको बोल रहे हो? आपको. Small child, you know, maybe first standard or so. आपको. क्यों, क्या हो गया? तो बोले नहीं, मेरी मम्मी ने बोला, मेरे पापा ने बोला, मेरी दीदी ने बोला. बोले अच्छा, तो उल्लू का पट्टा का मतलब क्या है? मैं बोली मैं उल्लू हूँ, ठीक है, पर तुम मेरे पट्टे हो है ना, तुमको मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. देन आई कॉल्ड हिम, ही केम टू मी. बड़े मुश्किल से 2 बच्चे पकड़ के लाए उसको, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन आई टच द चाइल्ड, Samir, you won't believe, he was a wood. He would not move. He would not reciprocate to my hug. And I realized the child was devoid of love. I immediately called the parents, and they had differences. Family had problems because patriarchal जो होता है, head of the family का थोड़ा सा वो था. But the child is doing very well, and I remember that child getting 78% in the annuals, and that was something which gave me, life, and gave me a purpose. ऐसे और भी है. In a corporate, I'll tell you, गांव के थे. They would come from farmer, background. And he was doing very well in the company. And he was a very promising person, still in touch. He would always talk to me, he would text me, he would be in the sessions I used to have, he would tell me, and so many things. And he, with only our conversations, I'm a counselor too, I keep on counseling. This is a counseling this I did from IGNOU, this is for, I'm certified to do it for children, but I don't mind, because when I know how to deal with human beings, I do it for elders also. Well, so with my conversation itself, I could see the transformation. His inconfidence turning into confidence. It was amazing. And then they would tell me their own stories. They could open up. Everybody needs some place to open up.
Yeah, that's very important.
Otherwise, then mental health problems and all those things come up.
You need one person in your life, father, mother, friend, wife.
Yes, definitely.
Koi bhi ho.
Anybody.
Just where you should are able to unload without judgment. A safe space. Nice. Um, let's talk about how the world has changed in the last 5 years, I would say, with so much of AI technology, and suddenly the pace of change has increased many, many folds. And we are talking about a lot of redundant level jobs, entry level jobs that would nearly be gone. And I can vouch for it, they will definitely be gone. I mean, I'm doing certain things in my own hospital, and I'm not going to need a lot of people doing the kind of work they do. How do you prepare students for a life and the kind of jobs that don't exist now but will exist later? What core system do you? That's the only thing we can do. You can give them certain core systems, belief systems, certain structures to work with. What are those things that you should be incorporating in students nowadays?
So let me start with one thing. A teacher's duty does not restrict her to only books.
Hmm.
She is a counselor, she is a mother, she is a friend, she's a confidant, she's whatnot, or he. It can be
Mhm.
anybody, right? So just find out what is good. Like as you said, that certain jobs will go away. Don't you think certain jobs will crop up?
Definitely. But
That is the thing. What I would believe, and I have seen over the years when internet came in,
that was the dot-com boom.
there was a
yeah.
huge apprehension
Everything is
कि भाई
dead.
सब हाँ
हाँ,
robotics आया अरे नहीं सब चला जाएगा but robotics is a part of AI now, right? So ये सब जब हुआ तो सबने डरने लगे ना no things are going to our lives are going to become dark, we are not going to these are all pessimistic ideas. Why can't we think that AI is coming up, how do I use AI in a better way,
Surely.
isn't it?
Surely.
And that is how we are going to equip our future generations also, and we have to equip ourselves, isn't it? So that's one thing. And preparing a child, I really don't think that anybody needs to be prepared. Samir, तुमको prepare किया गया था क्या?
No,
ये बनने के लिए?
we were just thrown.
Of course,
Yeah.
everybody is. Everybody is. Like I had a dream of becoming a teacher when I never passed in my examinations. At least one paper में तो मैं fail होती थी maths, है ना? I always joke around and I always tell everybody that I used to give my teachers chance to use their red pens in my progress report card, so they should be thankful. But today I can do maths before a calculator can do.
Yeah.
Okay, that is one thing you have to understand, that everybody has a pace. So what I must tell you, we don't need to prepare. We need to explore, we need to understand, we need to give them ideas, we need to discuss, not give them ideas. Again, that's where I'm wrong. We must bring out ideas from them. A teacher should have innumerable leading questions with them, so that a child starts thinking. We have stopped thinking today.
Yes, definitely.
इंटरव्यू के लिए पूछने आते हैं यार, तुमने सुबह मुझे बोला कि पॉडकास्ट करना है,
हाँ.
करना है तो करना है, हकीकत बोलेंगे ना हम तो. क्यों प्रिपेयर करना है? वाई आई नीड टू थिंक? I have to live with my thoughts. Today people are not living with their thoughts. Because see, today ये जो movement होता है, now what is this? Reels.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
very
become
toxic. That's very toxic.
Toxic? The whole thing should be kept away.
It basically
अरे भैया,
it gives you a
drive
dopamine
कर रहे
surge.
हो, you are taking a class, you're having a meeting, your phone is buzzing. Why? Earlier, we never had anything important.
Never.
When we had that box वाला phone, है ना, वो हरदम थोड़ी हमारे
I
साथ
mean,
चलता था.
life was simpler without technology. मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ यार.
I bet.
I mean, I would.
Of course, there's lots of
Yes.
good things with. देखो, हर चीज comes with.
Two sides.
Yes, every coin has two sides. Similarly, everything. But you should know, you should have the intelligence how you need to use that.
I mean, again, as a doctor, I see nowadays a lot of what parents do. Both of them are working. घर पे child है, when they come back home after work they are also tired, need a little bit me time talking to each other, the child is probably crying for attention, ये ले phone ले. And now
ये वर्क करने वाले नहीं हैं, हाउसवाइफ्स भी यही कर रहे हैं.
Then
उनको
that's
नींद
sad.
बड़ी आती है. ये 24/7 काम है ज़रूर. But if again I'll tell you, I am working since I was 22. Today I'll be 60. So मुझे कभी ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि भाई if my staff is not there, I am handicapped. No, sorry. The staff is a bonus.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my house. It's not their responsibility to do the work. मुझे जानना चाहिए कि मेरे काम और घर और मेरे वर्क को, मेरे प्रोफेशन को कैसे बैलेंस करना है.
Very
We
true.
don't want to. See, anything, every problem has a solution. That's why there's no problem. That's one thing I have taken out from my head. There's no problem in this world. Even a medical emergency is not a problem. It can be
Can
solved.
be managed, yeah.
And if नहीं manage कर सकते हैं, if a person has to go, है ना? हमने थोड़ी कोई अमर पट्टा बांध के आ गए.
नहीं, वो तो है.
तो see, there's nothing to really worry about, right?
So there was this book that where said the only thing fixed in your life is that you're going to die.
Yeah.
How you, once you have this realization, you can start living a life of meaning.
Exactly.
This is the George Orwell book. I don't remember what it was, but that's how it is. Everybody's so nowadays programmed to optimize, and they're not just living. Having burnout nowadays. I have gone through a burnout nowadays.
Yeah, these new terminologies, I'm really a little aversive to them, like mental health issues, toxic, oh my God, toxic, and then burnout. All these phrases जो आए हैं ना, ये बहुत devastating है. I feel these are playing big time on in your mind, if you are accepting them. I don't.
Sure,
Sorry. Okay, because it's ultimately we all are intelligent beings. We have to know what is going to do good to us and what is going to do bad to us. वैसे choose करो ना.
As an educator, you've always been an educator. First as a teacher, now you're a trainer. How do you balance authority with empathy?
There's nothing called authority. Who can have the authority? I have strong belief in one authority where I bow. That is God. I have not shook hand with no gods as such, but I have firm belief in God because I want to. See, I'll do only things what I want to. This is me. Okay. I want to worship. I want to pray. But I don't know whom am I praying and who. It's okay, it doesn't matter. तो अथॉरिटी बोल के कुछ नहीं होता है. अगर मैं सोच लूँगी ना, टुडे बीइंग इन अ पोजीशन वेयर आई हैव टू रन अ होल स्कूल, मैं अगर सोच लूँगी ना मैं अथॉरिटी हूँ, तो मैं सीखूँगी नहीं, मेरा सीखना बंद हो जाएगा. तो आई विल बी डूइंग मोर हार्म देन गुड टू माई.
No, but what I meant was at times certain students respond to authority. So, and certain students respond to an empathetic approach. How do you balance this out?
Students who respond to authority is temporary. Students who respond to empathy is permanent almost.
Okay.
They can be temporary also. See, it's human mind.
Right.
Okay. So, I always feel that empathy has to be, because leadership in itself, one quality of leadership is empathy.
Empathy, yeah, right.
So I prefer the word leadership than, the authority, which is equal to boss. A boss will always go to a toss. It just can't happen.
That's a
boss
nice-
नहीं exist कर
नहीं
सकता
करता,
यार.
yeah.
Boss.
What would be your advice to all the young people, men and females, who are entering the world of education as educators or trainers or teachers? What should be their belief system?
One thing is that there should be clarity in their mind what are they getting into. Okay. I'll not get into the zone where they say teachers are ill paid, well paid. वो
That's
सब
a
चीज़ को
different
मैं
discussion,
aside कर
हाँ.
देती हूँ, ठीक है. पर मैं वर्क के हिसाब से बात कर रही हूँ. So when you are going into the journey of an educator, you should know what is the meaning of an educator. What is expected out of you, or what are your responsibilities? I think if we all train ourselves in this, it will be a better journey for the educator and even for the tots, because they require somebody whom they can really rely upon, they can trust, they can have, they can be the go-to person. Because today there are very few go-to person for people. Because all people are not very confident.
No, very true.
है ना, ये कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच आई डू इन माई क्लास इज कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग.
How do you do that?
Oh yes, I'll definitely. I empower them by giving them the authority of, placing their thoughts, ideas, appreciate them in the right places. These are few things I can tell you, because the whole story I cannot tell you within few minutes. So appreciation is a big motivation. And we are very, very stingy when we need to appreciate. हम बहुत जल्दी appreciate करना नहीं चाहते हैं, है ना. जितना criticize हम खुले दिल से करते हैं ना, उतने खुले दिल से अगर appreciation कर लें तो सबके confidence यहाँ क्या कहाँ रहेगा.
Example, you have a child with you in your class or your academy. I mean, I think it would be very easy for you to make out a child कि he's a little underconfident कि यार इस पे थोड़ा सा we'll have to boost him up अच्छे से. What are some, do you take this particular child to certain exercises? What is it that you do? What is your roadmap for this
See,
child?
making them responsible for themselves. वो age old system क्या था मालूम है? वीक बच्चा जो रहेगा इनकॉन्फिडेंट, उसको मॉनिटर बना दो. अब एकदम मॉनिटर बना देने से क्या होता है, तब के ज़माने में तो मॉनिटर बन जाते थे, कोने में खड़े होकर सिर्फ बोर्ड में नाम लिखना पड़ता था. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इन माई स्कूल इट इज़ टू हैपन. ओके, बट आई फील दैट वी हैव टू मेक देम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आपने उनको पूछना है. क्या होता है जब इनकॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं ना, उन लोग पढ़ते कम हैं क्योंकि उनको डर लगता है. वो पढ़ना नहीं चाहते, ऐसा नहीं है, उनको डर लगता है कि मैं पढ़ने जाऊंगी मैं नहीं समझ पाऊंगी. तो उनको सिर्फ बोलना है कि आप जो होमवर्क दिया है इक्वल होमवर्क रहना चाहिए सबके लिए. एंड टीचर्स कैन टेक आउट दिस मच ऑफ टाइम. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट टेल देम कि होमवर्क हुआ है, ठीक है. फॉलो अप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना, फॉर एवरीथिंग. फॉलो अप नहीं रहा तो कोई भी चीज़ सक्सेस नहीं होता है. तो जस्ट आस्क. नहीं आया तो उसको लेके फिर से थोड़ी देर बोलो कि क्या नहीं आया है, इसमें से बोलो. whatever ways, because we have lots of skills up our sleeves and ये होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो it's better that you cultivate them. तो वो चीज़ अगर उनके ऊपर हम लगाते हैं, वो तरीके हम अगर implement करते हैं तो वो automatically. And then I told you, time and again appreciation, make them responsible, give them some positive strokes. Sometimes make like छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. Clap for, if they are in smaller classes, clap for them. If they are in higher classes or in any team in maybe a corporate world, okay. So yes, you can just give some small incentive that can be verbal incentive. I think that should work well.
Nice.
छोटी छोटी चीज़ें एक्चुअली
चीज़ें,
बहुत बड़े मायने रखते हैं.
Right.
बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती.
मेरे दिमाग में एकदम से आई जस्ट कॉट ऑन टू समथिंग यू सेड कि थोड़ा सा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट चाइल्ड है तो उसको मॉनिटर बना दो. तो हम लोग तो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थे, हम क्यों बनते थे मॉनिटर्स?
क्या होता है क्लास में जो स्कूल में
हाँ.
जो बच्चे ब्राइट और शाइनी होते हैं ना, उनको सामने लाके किया जाता है सो दैट द वर्ल्ड सीज कि स्कूल कितना अच्छा काम कर रहा है. ये भी एक साइकोलॉजी.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट राउडी पीपल, बट
फिर वही ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट और राउडी हो जाते हैं. घर में अगर मम्मी नहीं रहती ना, तुम शायद वो हो जाते.
ठीक है. how do you manage your day? Some daily routines that you have. How you inspired? I mean, I
Me?
see as you at one simple call you just managed to up aage. How do you do that?
So I'll tell you. I always have a plan in my mind a day before. This is something which I'm practicing almost for last maybe 34, 35 years. That's 2, 3 years later I joined my work. Because I had to see that I don't have to be clumsy.
Hmm.
I had my parents to look after, I had my parents-in-law to look after. All of them stayed in the same house, right? So I had to take care of them, 2 kids, my husband mostly out because he was in a job where he had to be out. And of course, I had a staff. So my planning used to be a day earlier, right from my preparation for the next day's class, to my dress, what I'm going to wear the next day, to what tiffin I have to give to my children, what they have to carry, if they are clean, everything. वो पूरे मैं प्लानिंग करती आज भी मैं वही करती हूँ आज बच्चे यहाँ नहीं है मेरे पास वो बात सही है बट स्टिल बच्चे जब रहते हैं अपने पास हम कितने भी बड़े हो जाए बच्चे वो हमारे हम सोचते हैं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तुम लोग सोच दोगे हाँ तुम लोग नहीं हो ऐसा है पर एक माँ के लिए है
Yes.
ठीक है तो ये भी सब चीज़ें अपने दिमाग में हैं कि ये सब चीज़ें मेरे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के दायरे में आता है सो दिस इज़ ऑल अंडर द अम्ब्रेला विच आई एम लिविंग अ लाइफ अंडर right so I know what place I have to give so accordingly I have to time myself like your call and I told you that I have to go to another student's housewarming right from the same school and then I saw you told me that it's nearby to my place so we planned it's always being honest मैं अगर तब तुमको बोलती थी कि नहीं अभी नहीं तभी वो थोड़ा वो कोलोक्वियल लैंग्वेज जो भाव खाना बोलते हैं
नहीं कुछ भी
हो जाता है राइट वो नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स अ प्लेजर फॉर मी टू बी विथ यू ओके मोर देन द पॉडकास्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू टू बी विथ यू इज yes to be in your podcast is amazing but to be with you is another big chance right
But this happens to me whenever one of my teachers from back in the day they come into my OPD I have a very different sense of pride and confidence कि यार कर लिया अपन ने यार so I want to document this thing what is your current role what are you currently doing
my current role
yeah
human being
oh no I mean you're working with the school
yeah I'm working with a school it's known as Vachala Gopi Public School which is in a mining town of Kanhan which is known as Kandri it's a remote place in the remote place it's an amazing structure which has been created by Mr. and Mrs. Barve and they had approached me to take up some role in the school so that the school develops they were trying since last 2 years like I joined them last year this is the 4th year running so I went there as a director and then as I found that no I need to take up the role of a principal so I kept beside my health which was inhibiting me from taking up any role of a principal because that's an enormously responsible role okay and the day I sat on my chair as a principal I thought nay I first remembered Mrs. Shastri again okay and I tried to do things उनका हाँ हाँ मेरा खुद का जो भी सोच क्या था समीर मैं अगेन मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरा एक सपना था मुझे एक स्कूल बनाना है तो एक ज़माने में मैंने एक छोटा सा स्कूल बनाया भी था पर द डे आई हैड टू ओपन एक दिन पहले वही कॉलोनी के लोगों ने मेरे को स्टॉप कर दिए अब जानते दैट इज़
ठीक है okay.
मेरे बच्चे शोर करेंगे ये करेंगे देख रहे हैं तो मेरा सब कुछ सेटअप हो गया था डजेंट मैटर आई सेड वेल यू डोंट वांट मी टू स्टार्ट द स्कूल बिकॉज आई टेक लाइफ एज इट कम्स मुझे कोई हासिल नहीं लगता तो और ईगो तो है ही नहीं पहली बात मैंने एक काम किया था कि ईगो बाहर निकाल दिया था तो वो बहुत हिंड्रेंस पैदा करता है तो मैंने बोला नहीं चाहिए ना आपको यहाँ स्कूल नो प्रॉब्लम मैंने पूरे सामान उठाया सम नीडी स्कूल को मैंने दे दिया इट्स ओके फाइन किसी को ना किसी को तो चाहिए ही रहता है तो वो मैंने कर दिया इट्स ओके एंड आई कंटिन्यूड विद माई स्कूल फाइन थैंक्स दैट्स द थिंग फिर जब मुझे ये मौका मिला ना, तो मैंने बोला ईश्वर ने शायद ये ज़रिया दिया, जब मैंने, क्योंकि मैं तो एक बड़ा स्कूल नहीं अकेले खोल सकती थी, है ना. चिल्ड्रन आर इन टू अदर देयर ओन प्रोफेशन. माई हस्बैंड इज़ नेवर इन टू एडुकेशन. तो उन लोगों को इसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया रहता, पर मुझे तो बहुत इंटरेस्ट था. तो दिस इज़ अ वे गॉड हैज़ गिवन मी अ चांस टू इवॉल्व अ स्कूल.
Nice. What is your advice to parents, teachers, and students also?
Okay, I have lots and lots of advices which I cannot tell you just now.
Just
But
quickly,
then, हाँ,
something for
एक छोटा
parents.
सा, yes,
हाँ.
for everybody.
हाँ जी.
See, teachers are there to impart information and transform them into knowledge, right? क्योंकि हर information knowledge पे transform नहीं होता है, because everybody does not have the same inclination. तो ये नॉलेज बिल्डिंग होना चाहिए टीचर्स की तरफ से. और टीचर्स, ये नॉलेज बिल्डिंग को सपोर्ट कौन करेगा? द पेरेंट्स. पेरेंट्स ने डिसिप्लिन करना चाहिए, जो पेरेंट्स नहीं कर रहे हैं.
They're expecting the school to do it.
दे एक्सपेक्ट दैट बच्चे को हमने स्कूल में भेज दिए, अब आप सब कुछ आप ही करो. क्या नहलाए धुलाए भी हम? ये तो हो नहीं सकता ना. हालांकि वी आर डूइंग इट. वी आर मेकिंग देम लर्न हाउ टू tie their laces, how to pour water, how to carry a tray. I'm doing it in my school. They are doing it regularly. This is life skills. Okay. So, but उनका कहना ये भी रहता है कि भाई हर बिहेवियर हम देखें. इवन होमवर्क जो है, अगर उन लोग कर्सिव नहीं लिख रहे हैं तो हम सिखाएं. अगर उनको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आ रहा है तो हमने ही प्रैक्टिस दिला. ऐसा नहीं होता है. एवरीथिंग कैन नॉट बी डन इन 6 hours, जहाँ पर हमको उनको रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज़ भी देना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज़ अ कोलैबोरेशन. मैं इसको ट्राइपॉड बोलती हूँ. स्कूल ऊपर का टेबल है, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड द मैनेजमेंट. तो ये टेबल जो ऊपर का है ना, ये तो हमारा स्कूल है, मीन्स बच्चे हैं. स्कूल तो ईंट के तो बिल्डिंग ही होते हैं ना. स्कूल इज बोलते बच्चे. तो ये बच्चों के नीचे 3 पहिया है. ये तीनों पहिया एक साथ काम करना चाहिए, तो जाके कुछ अच्छा बनेगा.
For students?
Students, they have to be focused. Okay, so हम अगर उनको बोलेंगे फोकस करो तो वो सोचते बैठेंगे फोकस
क्या करना है.
सो द पेरेंट्स हैव टू बी फोकस्ड. A leader has to do what he or she expects his
Others
follower.
to, yeah.
Yes. So a leader creates leaders. So parents should or teachers should do things what they expect from their children.
Older
If you are
children are
dubious-
like sponges. They learn by seeing. What they see, they
Absorb. That is what they will absorb.
Yeah, yeah.
है ना. अगर तुम कुछ बोल रहे हो और तुम कुछ और कर रहे हो, तो वो तो कंफ्यूजन में है ना. शी विल बी और चाइल्ड विल बी इन टोटल कंफ्यूजन, not knowing what to do, what is happening. That also will bring in what? Disbelief in the system. Maybe family system, maybe school system.
हो रहा है.
है ना.
हो रहा है.
और ये जो खुले आम टीचर्स लोगों को के बारे में पेरेंट्स, मैंने सुना है, ये मैं सुनती हूँ. तुम्हारे टीचर को मैं जाके बोलूँगी ये क्या है. अरे यार, टीचर्स भगवान नहीं है, उनसे गलतियाँ होंगी. आप धीरे से आके वो टीचर से बात करो, एक प्यार मोहब्बत की रिलेशनशिप बनाओ, बॉन्डिंग करो. तुम्हारी मम्मी का और मेरी बॉन्डिंग क्या है? तुम्हारी एजुकेशन, राइट? That is how she knows me. Why I am still bonded with her and she is still bonded with me. This bonding has to happen. कितने साल हो गया तुम्हारे 10th होके? बताओ.
My God.
तुमको याद भी नहीं होगा.
2005.
छोड़ दो, मत याद करो.
20 years.
हाँ, पर आज भी तुम्हारी मम्मी इन अ कॉल शी विल रिस्पॉन्ड. आपकी मम्मी मुझे फ़ोन करेंगे तो मैं इन अ कॉल आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड, है ना. सो ये जो बॉन्डिंग बनती है ना, ये होता है लाइफ. हमारे लिए क्या होता है? वी डोंट हैव अ वेरी बिग फ्रेंड सर्कल. पहचान के बहुत होंगे, पर हमारे फ्रेंड्स स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं और उनके पेरेंट्स होते हैं. आई स्टिल डोंट हैव अ सोशल सर्कल. डू यू नो दैट?
I find it hard to believe.
आई एम नॉट अ पार्टी गो.
Yes.
आई एम नॉट अ मूवी गो.
Yes.
Because I've never done this. It's not in my system. I only know my students' parents, my colleagues, and my family. And I'm so happy with it. Very constructive life, trust me. And I'm updated with everything. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कहीं से महरूम रह गई.
No, no, you're very informed about everything
I
that
keep
goes on.
myself very updated, and it is you all who keep me updated.
How do you define success in 2025? Or has the definition changed?
If you're happy doing what you're doing, actually happy, genuinely happy, you're successful. It is a very elusive word, don't you think so? पिनोकियो की नाक मालूम है? कैरेट वाली?
Yes.
वो सक्सेस वैसे ही है.
Yes. But
Very
the-
elusive.
I know.
He is a
I
successful.
think this is a very
Success is equal to happiness.
yes. It's a very arbitrary, not an arbitrary term. It's a very
Vague,
personal
very
term.
ambiguous.
Yeah.
Very
To each his
ambiguous.
own.
Yes, yes.
Definitely.
I'm telling you, if you're happy in your life, in your skin, done. You're successful.
Nice. Thank you for being here today.
It was a
Yeah.
pleasure.
I have no words to express my excitement that you've been here and means a lot to me.
Same here.
Thank you so much.
And you know it.
Thank you.
Thank you.